So you might be trying to figure out how to go ahead and put your Samsung phone camera on night mode. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically your phone, your Samsung phone, might want to go ahead and just put, you want to take night mode photos. So to do this, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and open up your Samsung camera like this. And when you do that, you will come into this particular page. Now, if you take a close look at the bottom, you'll see a couple of different things that pop up. You'll see photo, portrait video. You'll see a lot of things at the bottom. What we want to do is we want to find the night mode option, which comes up right here. So this night mode option, which will show night right there, that is going to be the way that you can go ahead and basically see your night mode. So when you select night mode, now what's going to happen is whenever you take your photos in night mode, it's going to go through and it's going to go ahead and automatically convert those photos basically into a night mode photo. So it depends on how dark it is. You can see if it's dark like this, it will go ahead and automatically turn on what it needs to turn on. If you go and take a photo, it'll go ahead and take a little bit longer. You can see that it did some mathematics there and did some calculations or whatever. And then it will go ahead and take that photo. So that is exactly how you do it. If night mode is missing at the bottom, you can also scroll all the way over to more right here. You can click on the edit button if you want to add some over here. But if it's missing at the bottom, you can scroll over to more and you should be able to see it there as well. So that's essentially how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.